Cooking on fire. Why do I love it? These days you've got gas, electricity, just so much advanced technology, which I love. Obviously I have it as well. But I still love fire. I love cooking on fire, and I don't know why, or maybe I do. What enthralls me about cooking on fire the most is probably how ancient it is. It is as old as humanity itself. Longer than humans have been friends with dogs, humans have been cooking on fire. And we still do it today. We still do charcoal fires, we still do smoked meat. There's something nostalgic about it, comforting. In winter there's warmth. It's often open when you cook on fire, so those smells permeate the environment. It brings people together. People come from all around to sit down next to a fire and pull off a bit of meat or vegetables if you don't eat meat, and potatoes out of the coals, a bit of fish that's been sat there in the alfoil. Perhaps I'm getting older and just pining for a simpler time with the complexities of everything I don't know. But I tell you this much, I fucking love cooking on fire. Almost like jerky. That's really good. Well, my other camera ran out, so sorry for the shitty quality. Yeah, most of my stuff's pretty shit quality anyway, so make sure you stay tuned as we are entering spring, which means there's going to be a shitload of fishing videos coming up. Foraging, hunting, mucking around, a lot of cooking, a lot of homebrew, and some cheeky little secret things as well. Thanks guys, take care.